salary stream, enforced spending built on Solana. So the problem you are trying to solve is that every manual skill, every like manual every cycle. Financial hub spend each day month wiring stable coin, reconciling spreadsheet and chasing approval. Salary accrues every second, payment happens every 30 days, then workers wait, employers float capital, hot wallet, shared seed phrase and human cost error. So what we are trying to do is that we try to create a chain agent that automates payment every second, it automates salaries every second. So then our how it works, you connect your phantom wallet, you sign with your wallet, then the agent NFT on-chain identity, then you add your employees wallet and monthly salary, then approve spend capital, the agent pays forever. That is what we does. Then caps approval agent, then the operation, then you confirm log real time live transaction and your Solana link. Then this is how the payment process works. This is how the payment process work. Policy check, confirm, load state, then accrues, read CX, then sign and send, persistent, the agent insert payment and agent event and real time UI. Then this is the system architecture. This is how we built the system architecture. You connect your phantom wallet, so you delegate signing to edge function, load key agent authority, then send transaction to Solana RPC, that is the DevNet endpoint. Then the React dashboard UI, progress for RLS, employee policy and payment. Then it might so this one here. So then from there it schedules the everything. While agent at authority they might USD Solana token. Then this is the project structure. The user layer connects dashboard and agent console, control layer, policy table, employee table and agent stick, on-chain layer, meta calls, ST and swig delegation. Okay, so Clearpay is the on-chain payroll payment that automates payments It's an agent that automates workforce payments and handle that all workforce payments are handled autonomously. So this is the dashboard where you can automate payments. So that is the dashboard. Then that shows your balance, your Solana balance, your USDC and every other thing. Then from there you then the wallet is already connected to Phantom. From Phantom then you move to create agents. You can add your employees here, you can add your employees and everything, add their wallet address and number, the amount you want to pay them. Then you can create chain agent, then then you can create some chain agent, then also add policy using Swig. You can use Swig to add policies on to add policies, the name and everything. So we want to create an agent on quick play. So first what we do is first create your agent. First create your agent. Then so we use Metaphor NFT to create an NFT agent. From there we now from there we now as I will now tell what the agent wants to do. For after this it I've already created the agent. Then this is my wallet that is showing. So I will approve my wallet anyway. I will approve my wallet. After I don't approve my wallet, then from there I will have to verify it. I have to verify. So that is the explorer. This is the explorer showing that I've created an NFC agent using meta pools. So this is my NFC agent. This is it here. This is it here. Then from there I will verify my agents. So I'm going to verify my agents. So this is where my wallet pop-ups and it has shown. So I'll approve everything. Then once it has approved, once I've entered the transaction, then my identity address is going to show. So my identity address is going to show. That is my identity address. My identity address. That is my identity address. That is already showing. So let's check it on chain. So that is it. That is it. Already showing on chain. Already showing on Solana. That is it. Already showing from there. agents policies and the agents streamline of payment works. So the next one is we want to add employee and the wallet. So this is the first thing we do. I'm just going to so clicks. Then copy my address, right? Then I need the receiving depositing. You can receive copy my address, my debit address. So I come here to my app, click home, then put engineer, then zero, then link addresses, then say 6 USD, then now streamline. So it's already it has started streaming like this. This is his wallet address, this is salary per month, this is pay per month. So it's already showing here. So we are going to it has already started. It has started already. So this is how it's going. Okay, just go to payments. Then it's still loading payment. Then it starts payment automation. So maybe to be deducted one by one. Maybe to be deducted one by one. It's still moving. This is the overview. It's the monthly salary form. Look at it here. This